Hello everyone, I am here showing you the new Archer and Olive subscription box. This is for March. Now there have been a lot of sneak peeks. You've seen them on my Instagram stories and a lot of the other design team. And there are 3 items in here that we kept completely surprised. So I'm gonna wait for those for last just because I'm fun like that. Note that the packaging is not there for all of the items because I've used them and I needed to show off some of the items in this kit. So here we go. The first item is this beautiful coil bound. It is a sketch pad and it has blank pages in it. It holds up to watercolor really well. It has a pocket in the back. It's this beautiful gold. And it even has a pen loop as per usual. And you can hold it together at the bottom here. So that is the first item. The whole theme for this box, by the way, is a journey box. We also have this beautiful compass. This one is a lined notebook, and I'm actually going to be using this because I'm working on my own book. So this is a lined book, and this is letter size paper. It's slightly smaller than the A4 size. The next item I still have in its box. We have this sailboat cover, and this one is a dot grid notebook. As you can see here, it is the same size. It is that letter size paper, and it has a beautiful sailboat on the top. So that's 3 notebooks in this kit. One of the reasons why it weighs so much. There are these sticker packs, which I've used a lot. So there's 2 sheets of this particular sticker paper, and then there's 2 sheets of this sticker paper. I've been using it in my wellness planner, so that's why I only have 1 set out right now. Moving on, we have all 5 pens. So there is this beautiful peachy, there's this yellow, there is a maroon, a nice like dusty purple, and then a minty, and it's kind of like an offie mint. There's color names for this. I don't have them ready for me at the moment. There are stamps. So these are great stamps Monday through Sunday. And then you also have the script Monday through Sunday over here. You have your numbers. You have a lot of the different journey themes. You have this habit tracker, and then you have another grid down here, some stars as well, some flags. This is a habit tracker for like individual habits for a week. So these wonderful stamps. With this, you also get 2 acrylic blocks. I've taken the covering off of this one. So one of the things that I suggest is holding this under hot water, and then this covering peels right off, because as you can see, if you don't do that, you have to take off each of those individual squares, and that was annoying. So definitely the warm water works really well for that. So there are the acrylic blocks. 2 of the secret items that we did not show are these inks. So you do not have to go out and buy ink pads if you want to get some more color. Obviously you are free to do so, but these are the ink pads that came with the stamps and the acrylic block. So everything you need to do acrylics with the acrylic stamps are here. And then my favorite item of this box is this beautiful tote bag. And I love how simple the designs are. I love it. It's so beautiful. And something really, really important to me, because I'm planning on taking this to the farmer's market, is having a pocket. A lot of tote bags do not come with a pocket, so I was really excited to see the pocket. And if you want to use this for bullet journaling, you also have slots for your pens here as well. And it's a nice, wonderful size for a tote bag. And then finally, new for this box, you get to see everything that is included in the box, the retail value for those, because you have the gold and black ink pads, this acrylic stamp blocks, acrylographs, tote bags, sticker sheets, clear acrylic stamps, the dot grid, the line notebook, and the spiral travel notebook. So those are all of the items that come in this box. I hope you guys like it. I'm really, really excited about this. Not that I go out, but once I do go out to the farmer's market, I cannot wait to take this tote bag. It's one of the things I'm seriously most excited about in this box. And of course, all of the other really wonderful stationery items that we have as well. So thank you all for joining me for this unboxing. I hope you all love it. Please let me know in the comments below which item you are most excited about. And I will see you later. Bye, everyone.